Inquire. To get information about something. He inquired about the price of the car. I will inquire about the train schedule. Depart. To leave a place, especially to start a journey. He departed early to avoid traffic. She will depart for Paris tomorrow. Sob. To cry very hard, often making loud sound. She began to sob after hearing the sad news. The little boy sobbed when he fell down. Purchase. To buy something. She purchased a gift for her friend. He wants to purchase a laptop for work. Sprint. To run as fast as you can for a short distance. He decided to sprint to catch the bus. We had to sprint to avoid being late. Frustrate. To make someone upset or annoyed. The slow internet frustrates me. She was frustrated with her homework. Humiliate. To make someone feel ashamed. Never humiliate your friends. She humiliated him in front of everyone. Slumber. To sleep, especially in a gentle way. He likes to slumber on the couch. I slumbered peacefully last night. Delicacy. Special or rare kind of food. Turkish delight is a delicacy in Turkey. Kimchi is a famous delicacy from Korea. Steep. Slope or something that has a sharp incline. The hill is too steep to climb. Be careful, the stairs are steep. Obscure. Something is difficult to understand or see. The old book has some obscure words. Fog obscures the mountains in the morning. Coast. The land along the sea or ocean. They built a house by the coast. The coast of the island is very rocky.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!